Find the exact value of cosecant 11 pi over 6. Well, cosecant is the same thing as 1 over sine, right? So cosecant 11 pi over 6 is the same thing as 1 over sine 11 pi over 6. Now, let's think of unit circle. 11 pi over 6 is the one at the very end over here. And sine is asking for the y value. So the point associated with the dot closest to the x-axis is going to be root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Sine is the y value. So 1 over sine 11 pi over 6 is 1 over negative 1 over 2. Now, I don't like that type of complex fraction. Let's multiply the top and the bottom by negative 2 over 1. Multiply it by negative 2 over 1. You completely cancel out. 1 times negative 2 over 1 is the same thing as 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2. So the answer is B.